Today I'm going to make a lamb stew or mutton stew, which is very famous in India. The ingredients which we need is
1 kilogram of mutton, 2 potatoes, 2 carrots, 3 onions, green chilies, cashews, almonds, garlic, cloves, aniseed, mace, cardamom, cinnamon, and coconut milk.
some of the meat do have some sort of a smell, so we can get rid of that smell by adding some yogurt and mix it very well and leave it for an hour and then give it a good wash. Now all the ingredients are ready for cooking. Now we are going to cook the lamb with some salt and we're going to add enough of salt and then mix it well and let us cook it for half an hour. Now we are going to add some oil and half fry the potatoes and carrots. And now we are going to fry the onions, add oil, and then mustard seed, once the onion is half boiled, we are half fried, we are going to add the masalas and ginger into it.
While this is being cooked, we have to pulsate the cashews and the almonds. Now, add the coriander powder and stir it for a few seconds.
Now add the cooked lamb. To the cooked lamb, we add the fried potatoes and leave it to sink for a few minutes. Let it cook.
After the pot has been simmering for 15 minutes, add the coconut milk and cashew and almond paste, leaving it to boil.
Now add a teaspoon of pepper and then a tablespoon of garam masala and then curry leaves and green chili in there.
Now we have the final delicious mutton or lamb stew ready to be served hot.